Hey guys, hello and welcome back on my YouTube channel जिसका नाम है Sweetkaur Space 195. Today we will do another topic on paragraph writing, that is beggars can't be chooser. So let's get start with the paragraph writing without wasting even a single minute. The world is ever ruled by the rich and the mighty. They have always enjoyed the right to dispense the fate of those over whom they rule. So the high and mighty decide the quality and quantity they like to dole out of those who are under them. The poor and the weak have never enjoyed the right to choose for themselves. The beggars are forced to accept whatever is given to them in alms. They have no courage to remonstrate with the donors, nor have they the rights. On the contrary, they are accepted to express their gratitude for what they have been given. Why should a donor take the trouble of knowing the choice of a donee? The donor is giving something in charity that is not required by himself. He is not inspired by the spirit of sacrifice. The needy have no alternative but to accept what is given to them. So those who give decide what is to be given to the needy. Thanks for watching this video till end. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video.